Today, we're going to take an in-depth look at the innovative and exciting MSC World Europa cruise ship. The ship is not just for seasoned cruisers, it's a ship that especially caters to older travelers. Whether you're a family looking for an unforgettable vacation, a couple seeking a romantic getaway, or an individual seeking adventure and entertainment, the ship has something special in store. From its stunning architectural design to its cutting-edge entertainment offerings, the ship is set to raise the bar for what a cruise ship can be. MSC World Europa, which launched in December 2022, is the biggest ship ever built by MSC Cruises. And you know what? It can accommodate close to 7,000 passengers when completely full. It is the first vessel in the company's fleet to be fueled by liquefied natural gas, or LNG in short. LNG is a cleaner burning alternative to traditional marine fuels, as it produces fewer carbon emissions. In my experience, the MSC World Europa is a ship that can feel a bit expensive and tricky to navigate at times. The sheer size and scale of this vessel can make it challenging to get around, especially for first-time cruisers. The MSC World Europa offers a wide range of accommodation options, from basic interior staterooms to luxurious suites. The most standard cabin is the interior stateroom, which is 160 square feet in size. It includes a wardrobe, a bathroom with a shower, a double bed that can be converted into two singles, and a minibar. At the other end of the spectrum is the MSC Yacht Club Owner's Suite. This opulent suite is over 1,076 square feet in size and comes with some impressive amenities. It has a large balcony with a seating area and a private hot tub. Inside, there's a separate dining and living room area, a walk-in closet, a bathroom with both a shower and a tub, a bar, and an espresso maker. In total, the MSC World Europa offers 17 different categories of staterooms and suites, giving passengers a wide range of options to choose from based on their preferences and budget. One thing that was criticized about this ship was that the staff was not helpful at all. Guests reported that the staff often seemed unwilling to assist them, which is unacceptable for a cruise of this caliber. And you know, another thing that might bother some passengers on this ship is the public restrooms. They're surprisingly tiny, considering the overall size of the ship. As a food lover, there's a lot to get excited about when it comes to the dining and drinking options on the MSC World Europa. But there's one thing that's criticized about the MSC World Europa, and it's the lack of free water available to guests. Many cruisers have expressed frustration over having to constantly purchase bottled water during their time on the ship. Surprisingly, a ship of this size doesn't offer more complimentary water options for passengers. Staying hydrated is so important, especially when you're spending time out in the sun on the various decks and pools. Also, another thing that some people have criticized about the MSC World Europa is the crowding at the ship's two main buffet restaurants during busy mealtimes. Even though buffets on cruise ships often get crowded, especially around breakfast, lunch, and dinner, a lot of passengers felt the crowds were worse on the MSC World Europa compared to other cruise ships they've been on. But if we talk about the dining options, then there's a chef's garden kitchen with its focus on refined cuisine garnished with fresh, on-board grown microgreens. Yes, on board, these microgreens are grown on the MSC World Europa. Then there's a La Pescaderia for seafood fans, a seafood market and restaurant right on the promenade. The fact that they have a grab-and-go menu with classics like fish and chips is great for when you want a quick bite without much hassle. But some of the guests have criticized that the taste of the food was not up to mark. And if we talk about the buffet, then it was also criticized. Why? Many people complained that the variety of food options was extremely limited and tasteless. What's even worse was that when guests tried to order drinks, they were often met with rude staff. Not only did the staff have a bad attitude, some of the guests have reported that the staff sometimes brought dirty or used cups for the drink. Moving on, if you are a coffee lover, then there are two coffee bars to choose from: the Coffee Emporium on Deck 8 and Jean-Philippe Chocolate and Cafe on Deck 6, which pairs exceptional brews with high-quality chocolate. Other additions to MSC World Europa include an outdoor bar with a surf theme and a casual burger and pizza restaurant that operates 24/7. Despite the wide range of dining and drinking options available, the ship seems to lack in consistent quality and services across its various venues. With so much potential, the ship falls short in delivering a truly exceptional culinary experience for its passengers. And if we talk about the entertainment options on the ship, some of the guests criticize the entertainment offerings on the ship as lacking. They reported that out of the 7 shows they attended, only one was actually fun and entertaining. The rest of the performance made little sense as the performers themselves seemed uninterested with what they were doing. Here's what you need to know about the entertainment options available on the ship. One of the ship's main entertainment hubs is the Luna Park Arena, which offers a dynamic lineup of shows and activities. During the day, the arena transforms into an interactive playground, with experiences like a virtual reality drone academy, game shows, and dance classes led by a renowned choreographer. Then there's a lively Dorami's Wake-Up Rave event for young cruisers. As night comes, the Luna Park Arena transforms into a theater-like setting where 3 concert-style shows take place. Then there's a symphonic Ibiza-inspired party, an interactive K-pop super show, and a Crimson Club adventure. The World Theater on the MSC World Europa is a main stage that hosts 5 original shows. These productions are centered around themes like exploration, travel, the sea, and sustainability. Other performances include Echo, featuring recycled materials, the original Amelia Earhart show, and A Night on Broadway. At the back of the ship, the Panorama Lounge offers daytime fun with its interactive coloring floor. At night, it becomes a lively music venue with shows like Let's Get Loud and Ultimate Disco, featuring dance music from around the world, from samba to disco. Later on, the lounge turns into a themed nightclub, ensuring non-stop entertainment throughout the evening. The ship features 2 live exhibitions focused on Earth and ocean themes. Random visits from artists, actors, musicians, and props create memorable interactions. Adding to the unique atmosphere you can explore aboard MSC World Europa. Another entertainment option on the ship is the Venom Drop at the Spiral. It's being called the longest dry slide on any cruise ship. This slide is built into the design of the ship, with elegant curves that go across 11 different decks. The ship also has the biggest water park of any MSC Cruises ship so far, and they've even added some cool virtual reality technology to make the water park experiences even more fun and high-tech. When it comes to activities to do during the day, the MSC World Europa has a ton of great options. There's roller skating, a bingo game with rock music, and even bumper cars. All kinds of lively, interactive things to keep you entertained on the days when the ship is at sea. Every evening, there's a sundowner DJ party, which features a unique holographic DJ experience, offering a memorable way to enjoy the sunset at sea. But sometimes this becomes so loud that you cannot even hear what the other person is saying. And if we talk about the specific activities for kids and teens, then there are also plenty of options. One of the highlights is the MSC Foundation Youth Center, which focuses on fun, educational activities centered around environmental awareness. This gives kids the chance to learn about important causes while they play in a dedicated, safe space. And parents can even discover more about the MSC Foundation's initiatives in this special area. There's also a special LEGO celebration room, continuing the cruise line's great partnership with the LEGO Group. This is for LEGO-loving kids, giving them a space to get creative and immerse themselves in the world of LEGO. But perhaps the most impressive offerings are the high-tech activities available in the juniors, young and teens clubs. The ship has 21 cutting-edge gaming consoles, 7 virtual reality stations, and more than 50 different video games. Whether they're into gaming, hands-on activities, or just hanging out with new friends, the kids on the MSC World Europa are going to be thoroughly entertained. The ship seems to provide a wide variety of activities and entertainment, but as some of the guests reported issues with the entertainment shows and crowding at certain events, the ship may have room for improvement in ensuring a consistently high quality and seamless entertainment experience for all passengers. The MSC World Europa is a really eye-catching and modern cruise ship. From its sleek shape to the special plumb bow at the front, every part of the outside of the ship looks great. One of the coolest things is the Y-shaped open area at the back. This leads to a long outdoor walkway about 104 meters long, and the views of the ocean from this walkway are just beautiful. When it comes to the accommodations on the MSC World Europa, there's something for every budget and preference. Let me break it down. A 7-day cruise from Genoa costs about $517 per person for interior staterooms. For those who want to enjoy the fresh ocean air and stunning views, the Ocean View cabins are definitely worth the upgrade. Their fares start at $636 per person, and if you want suites, then there's the MSC Yacht Club suites. which starts at $956 per person. No matter which cabin category you choose, it's clear that MSC World Europa is offering top-notch accommodations. Whether you prefer something more budget-friendly or you're ready to treat yourself to a truly luxurious suite, this ship has an option to match your needs and preferences. Now on to the one question that comes to mind is the MSC World Europa worth it? Though the ship has a variety of entertainment options, but if we look at the negative reviews that the food was not up to the mark or the staff was not cooperative, then deciding its worth is a little hard for me. Ultimately, whether the ship is worth it comes down to your personal preferences and priorities. If you value cutting-edge design and extensive onboard amenities, then the ship is an excellent choice. But if you want good food and a supportive staff, then you might want to look at other cruise ships. It's true that some guests have criticized the lack of free water on board, as well as occasional overcrowding at the buffet restaurants during peak times. These are valid concerns that the cruise line should address. So in my opinion, if you're looking for a vacation that's packed with unique and memorable moments, the MSC World Europa is an average option. However, for a more satisfying experience, especially in terms of dining and service, you should explore other cruise lines. It's important to do a thorough research and consider what aspects of a cruise are most important to you before making a decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.